Designed by welders, for welders. The Miller Hard Hat powered Air Purifying Respirator is designed to improve compliance in the most demanding industrial environments. Integrated with a lightweight, low-profile blower assembly with 3 adjustable air speeds to maximize comfort in various work conditions. The LCD display is positioned at the top of the blower and allows the user to view fan speed, filter timer, battery level, and the current time. Audible and vibrating alarms notify operators in noisy environments. The lithium-ion battery provides up to 8 hours of life. The system includes 2 batteries to help eliminate downtime. Backpack-style shoulder straps evenly distribute system weight to provide all-day comfort. Patent-pending dual-tech manifold system optimizes helmet balance and sound while maximizing perceived cooling through targeted air placement. MSA V-Guard hard hat cap complies with ANSI/IC Z89.1 and CSA Z94.1 standards. Self-adjusting straps form a shock absorption system to provide exceptional comfort, reducing pressure points while increasing stability. Lift-to-talk head assembly improves communication, allowing the operator to have access to the face without removal of the head assembly. Clearlight 2.0 lens technology provides advanced high-definition optics for the most realistic view that's clearer and brighter before, during, and after every weld. The brighter 3.0 light state allows welders to keep their hood down, improving safety and productivity. HDV technology provides a sharp, detailed view at any angle with minimum distortion to increase visibility. A 44 square inch integrated HDV grind shield provides a larger, clear viewing area for grinding and other tasks, while a quick release one-piece HDV cover lens simplifies lens changes and reduces downtime. X-Mode technology eliminates interference from sunlight and out-of-position welding angles. InfoTrack 2.0 technology monitors arc time and arc count for quoting and metrics. Memory function eases switching between 2 preset customized memory settings. Shade 5.0 side windows enhance peripheral vision, amplifying sense of surroundings. Engineered for comfort, visibility, and productivity.